Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lesson, we are not just reading the letters. We are training our tongue to know when a letter is heavy and when it is light. Some pairs are heavy, some are heavy light, some are heavy, some are light heavy, and some are light light. Take your time and repeat each pair until the pronunciation become natural. Now let's begin. As you can see, this is heavy, and this also too is heavy. This both letter, are light letter. Zal fatah za, ham fatah ha, za ha, za ha. Those are light letter. Zalun, haun, zal fatah za, ham fatah ha, za ha. Now let's go to next one. And this one, they are heavy light. This is heavy letter and this is light letter. Von fatah va, ham fatah ha, va ha, va ha, va ha. This is heavy letter and this is light. This is heavy and this is light. Va ha. Now let's go to next one. Now this one is cham fatah ta, bam fatah ba, ta ba. These both are light. That is light letters. Cham fatah ta, bam fatah ba, ta ba. This is light and this is also a light letter. Ta ba, ta ba. These two are light letters. Now let's go to next one. Now this alphabet, bam fatah, mi fatah ma, dal fatah da, ma da, ma da. This is mimun, dalun. Mimun is light and this is dalun also is light letter. Both are light letter. Light. Ma da, ma da. You can see it, ma da. They are light, both are lights. Now let's go to next one. Now these letters, this is mimu, mi fatah ma, dal fatah da. This is light and this is a heavy letter. This is mada. This is light, heavy. This is heavy like this sign and this is light. Mada, ma do, mi fatah ma, do fatah do, ma do. Now let's go to next one. Now this is tom fatah to, bam fatah ba, to ba, to ba, to ba. Ta'un is heavy and ba'un is light. Heavy and light letter. Toba. Now this is fa'un and this is dalun. This is heavy, light, further. They are both light letters. Light letter. Fam fatah fa, dalun fatah da, fa da. They are both light letters. Further. Now let's go to the next one. Now this is fam fatah fa, dalun fatah da. This is light and this is heavy. Light and heavy. Further. What I mean by light and heavy is when you pronounce it lightly. And this is heavy. Do. You can see it. Do. Now let's go to the next one. Now this is sadun and this is haun. This sadun is heavy and haun is light. This is heavy and light. Sa ha, sadun fatah sa, ham fatah ha, sa, ha. Now let's just go to next one. Now this is sin fatha sa, ham fatha ha, sa ha, sa ha. These are both light letters. Light. They are light letters. Sa ha, sa ha, sa ha. Now let's go to next one. Shin fatha sha, tam fatha ta, sha ta, sha ta. These are both light letters. They are light letters. Shata. They are light in tone. Shata. Shata. Now let's go to next one. Qaf fatha qa, ain fatha a, qa a, qa a. This is heavy. This is heavy letter, and this is light letter. This is heavy. This is light. Qa a, qa a, qa a. Now let's go to next one. Aqa, aqa. This is light, and this is heavy. Aqa, aqa. Ghain fatha gha, sad fatha sa, gha, sa. Can you guess which is light and which is heavy? Gha, sa, gha, sa. This is gha, sa, gha, sa. This is heavy, and this is also heavy. Now this is shinun, and this is ta'un. Shin fatha sha, tam fatha ta, sha ta. This is heavy. This is heavy letter. Heavy letter, and this is light. This is light. This is light. Heavy and light letter. Sha ta. Now let's go to next one. Zai fatha za, ain fatha a, za a. These both are light letters. They are both light letter. Za a. Now let's go to next one. Dha, dha fatha dha, ain fatha a, dha a, dha a. Can you guess which letter are they? Dha ha. This dha'un is heavy. This dha'un is heavy, and ainun is light letter. Light letter. Heavy and light. Dha a. Now let's go to next one. Qaf fatha qa, tam fatha ta, qa ta. This qafun is heavy. Qafun is heavy, and ta'un is light. Qa ta. Now let's go to next one. Ka da. Kam fatha ka, and dalun fatha da, ka da. These both letter are light letters. These both are light. Ka da, ka da. Now let's go to next one. Qaf fatha qa, dalun fatha da, qa da. This is qafun, and qafun you all know is heavy letter. Qafun is heavy. Qa da, qa da. This is light. Dadun is light letter. Qa da. Now let's go to next one. Gha sha. Ghain fatha gha, shin fatha sha, gha sha. This is ghainun, and this is shinun. Gha sha. Ghainun is heavy letter or light letter. Let me know. Ghainun is light letter, and this shinun is heavy letter. Light, heavy letter. You can see gha sha, light, heavy. Now let's go to the next one. Ra fatha ra, ya fatha ya. Ra'un is heavy, and ya'un is light. Ra ya. Ra fatha ra, ya fatha ya, ra ya. This is heavy, This is heavy, and this is light. Raw, yeah, raw, yeah. And the last one here, ram fatha ra, qaf fatha qa. Ra'un is heavy. It will be raqa, raqa, heavy, 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 heavy. Raqa, heavy, 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 heavy. Raqa. You can see I'm not that comfortable with this lesson because I don't have where to put it. You can see it, and this is the lesson we just taught now, and this is the lesson. This is the lesson. You can see it. You can see it now. You can view it again and start checking it one after the other. Start checking it one after the other. You can start checking it. You can see now. Don't forget to join us in our next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Ya akhi.